The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of secrets that defy explanation. From an unknown force pulling entire galaxies toward it, to a planet so bizarre it shouldn't exist, the cosmos is filled with mysteries that leave even the greatest minds baffled. Today, we're counting down the top 8 craziest space mysteries in history, ranked from mind-bending to absolutely insane. Starting things off, at number 8, in 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a signal so bizarre that the astronomer who saw it circled it and wrote one word next to it: wow. For 72 seconds, a powerful signal blasted through the cosmos at 120 megahertz, the exact frequency hydrogen atoms emit. And guess what? That's a frequency space agencies avoid using, meaning it wasn't from us. The wow signal came from deep space, near the Sagittarius constellation. But here's the wild part: we never detected it again. Scientists tried and tried, but it was gone. Poof, like an interstellar ghost. So what was it? A message from aliens? A secret cosmic event? A prank by a time-traveling future human? Theories range from extraterrestrial intelligence to a strange comet emission, but nothing fully explains it. Over 40 years later, the mystery remains unsolved. So was it a cosmic wrong number, or proof that someone or something tried to reach us? What do you think? Coming up next at number 7, imagine something so massive, so mysterious, that it's pulling our entire galaxy toward it at over 1,000,000 miles per hour. Meet the Great Attractor, one of the weirdest cosmic mysteries ever. Astronomers first noticed something strange. The Milky Way, Andromeda, and thousands of other galaxies weren't just floating around randomly. They were all being dragged toward the same invisible force. At first, no one knew why. Was it a black hole? A supermassive galaxy? An alien megastructure? Okay, maybe not that last one. Or maybe? But here's the crazy part. This thing is hidden behind a chunk of our own galaxy, in an area called the zone of avoidance, meaning we literally can't see it. So how do we even know it's there? Well, scientists used infrared and X-ray telescopes to peek through the cosmic dust. And guess what? They found an enormous cluster of galaxies, so huge, its gravity is warping space itself. We're talking about a force so strong, it's pulling everything in our part of the universe toward it. And yet, we still don't know exactly what it is. So, will we ever unlock the mystery of the Great Attractor? Or is it a cosmic secret we'll never solve? Either way, space is wild. Next up at number 6. Okay, this is wild. Scientists found a mysterious cold spot in space, and no one knows exactly why it's there. And trust me, the theories, they get crazy. Meet the cosmic microwave background, the faint glow left over from the Big Bang. Basically, the baby picture of the universe. It's supposed to be kind of uniform, but then, bam, we found this. This region, called the cold spot, is way colder than it should be. And it's huge, nearly 1,000,000,000 light years across. That's like 10,000 Milky Ways stacked together. So what's causing it? Well, here's where it gets weird. Some scientists think it's a giant void, an empty patch of space with way fewer galaxies. But that doesn't fully explain the temperature drop. Then there's the mind-blowing idea that it's evidence of another universe bumping into ours. Yeah, a cosmic fender bender from a parallel reality. And of course, the internet went crazy with the idea that it's an alien megastructure blocking heat. No proof, but hey, a little mystery never hurt, right? So what do you think? A giant void? A multiverse glitch? Or something even stranger? The universe is weird, and we love it. Up next at number 5, imagine a star so weird that scientists thought it might be hiding an alien megastructure. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the mystery of Tabby's star. Back in 2015, astronomer Tabitha Boyajian and her team noticed something strange. A star, officially called KIC 8422852, was flickering in ways no other star should. Most stars dim a little when a planet passes by, but Tabby's star, it was dimming by 22%, and not in a regular pattern. That's huge, way too big for a planet. So naturally, people started asking, could it be an alien megastructure, like a Dyson sphere, a massive energy-collecting machine built by an advanced civilization? I mean, we're talking about something straight out of Star Trek. Scientists were skeptical, but the idea went viral. Of course, more realistic ideas popped up. Maybe it was a swarm of comets, a giant dust cloud, or something we haven't even discovered yet. Years passed, and despite all our fancy telescopes, we still don't have a solid answer. Whatever's out there, it's something we've never seen before. So aliens? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing's for sure, Tabby's star remains one of the strangest space mysteries ever. What do you think? Halfway there, at number 4, in 2017, astronomers spotted something strange zipping through our solar system, and it wasn't from around here. This was Oumuamua, the first known object to come from outside our solar system. But here's where things get really weird. At first, scientists thought it was just a boring old asteroid, but nope, it was shaped like a cigar, tumbled end over end, and get this, it accelerated as it left the sun. That's not normal. Space rocks don't just speed up on their own. So what was it? Some thought it was a comet with invisible gas pushing it forward. Others said a hydrogen iceberg melting away. But then, some scientists dropped a wild theory. Could it be an alien probe? Harvard's Avi Loeb suggested Oumuamua might be a light sail, a super-thin alien spacecraft using starlight to glide through space. Sounds crazy, but no one has fully ruled it out. Sadly, Oumuamua is now gone forever, speeding into deep space. But whatever it was, it changed how we see the universe. Will we ever find another visitor like Oumuamua? And if we do, will it say hello? What do you think Oumuamua was? Next up at number 3, imagine this. You're looking up at the night sky, seeing stars, planets, and entire galaxies. But guess what? Almost everything you see is a lie. Well, sort of, because 85% of the universe is made of something we can't see, can't touch, and have no idea what it actually is. Scientists call it dark matter. Here's the wild part. Back in the 1930s, a Swiss astronomer named Fritz Zwicky looked at distant galaxies and went, these things are moving way too fast. Something invisible must be holding them together. And just like that, dark matter was born, kinda. Fast forward to today, and we still have no clue what it is. It doesn't shine, it doesn't absorb light, and it doesn't interact with normal matter. It's like a cosmic ghost, but one that shapes the entire universe. Scientists think dark matter creates a giant invisible web that holds galaxies together. Without it, our Milky Way would just fly apart like a frisbee, gone wrong. So how do we find something that doesn't want to be found? Well, we look for what it does, like the way it bends light from distant galaxies, or how it makes stars move faster than they should. And here's the crazy part. Some theories say dark matter could be made of undiscovered particles, while others, they suggest it might not exist at all. What if we're completely wrong about everything? Dark matter is one of the biggest space mysteries of all time. And until we crack the code, the universe will keep hiding its biggest secret. Coming up next at number 2. Okay, get this. Everything around you, from your phone to your body to the entire planet, is made of matter. But here's the crazy part. According to physics, there should be an equal amount of antimatter floating around the universe. So where is it? See, when the universe was born in the Big Bang, scientists believe it created equal amounts of matter and antimatter. And when these two meet, boom, they completely destroy each other in a flash of energy. So technically, the universe shouldn't even exist. It should have annihilated itself billions of years ago. But clearly, we're here, which means somehow matter won the cosmic battle. But why? Did antimatter just vanish? Did some unknown force tip the scales? Or is there a secret antimatter universe hiding out there somewhere? Scientists have spent decades searching for clues, studying cosmic rays, running high-energy collisions at the Large Hadron Collider, even scanning distant galaxies for signs of rogue antimatter. So far, nothing. Some theories suggest exotic physics beyond what we know. Maybe new particles, unknown forces, or hidden dimensions could explain it. Others think tiny imbalances in the early universe caused matter to slightly outnumber antimatter, just enough for us to exist. Whatever the answer is, solving the missing antimatter mystery could unlock secrets about the universe itself. So was it a cosmic accident, or is the universe hiding something big? At last but not least, imagine throwing your favorite book into a black hole. Poof, gone forever, right? But here's the crazy part. What happens to the information inside that book? Does it just vanish? Welcome to one of the wildest mysteries in physics, the black hole information paradox. According to Einstein's general relativity, black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners. Anything that falls in can never escape. But quantum mechanics? Oh, it hates that idea. It says information can't just disappear, ever. In the 1970s, Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes actually emit radiation, now called Hawking radiation. But there was a problem. If a black hole evaporates over time, does the information inside just cease to exist? That would break the fundamental laws of the universe. And trust me, physicists do not like breaking the rules of reality. For decades, this paradox had scientists scratching their heads. Some believed the information was truly lost. Others thought it had to be hidden somewhere. One idea? Maybe information leaks out through quantum entanglement, spooky action at a distance. Or maybe black holes store info on their event horizon like a cosmic hologram. Recently, some physicists think they may have solved it, suggesting information does escape, just in a super scrambled way. But hey, in the weird world of black holes, who knows what secrets we'll uncover next? So, if you fell into a black hole, would your story be lost forever? Or is the universe secretly backing up its files?